Hi, I'm Mike Barsotti. I'm the Director of Water Quality and Production here at Champlain Water District in South Burlington, Vermont. I welcome you today to our mini tour of our water treatment facility, and where we're going to talk about aspects of water treatment, water production, and also our source water. Thanks for coming by, and here we go. We are located in South Burlington, Vermont. We serve 75,000 people, and we are the largest water supplier in Vermont. I have received questions from students regarding where drinking water comes from and how it's produced. So I'm going to answer those questions, and then we're going to have some of our professionals here at Champlain Water District show you some of the processes here at the treatment facility and also down at the lake. So one of the questions that I received from students is, where is our water from? Okay, and you can see the picture there in front of you, and our water is from the deep underwater canyon of Shelburne Bay. Shelburne Bay holds 33 billion gallons of water, and it is part of Lake Champlain, which holds 68 trillion gallons of water. This is a very high quality source, and Jim DeSorda is going to discuss this aspect of our supply later on. You can see here that going from left to right, it shows that we have two manifolded intakes in Shelburne Bay, our supply of water, that we have 6 pumps at our Edward Blake Lake Water Pump Station, and then the water flows into 2 500,000 gallon storage tanks up here at our treatment facility. It shows the water flowing in to the treatment facility. It shows 3 adsorption clarifiers. It shows 8 deep bed filters. It then shows the water going into our filtered water tanks. We have 2 of them. Each hold 1 million gallons of water apiece for a total of 2 million gallons. The next question I received is, what is water used for? The district's water is used throughout our service area, north to Milton, Vermont, east to the Jericho Underhill Range facility, and south to Shelburne, Vermont. It's used as potable, what we call potable water supply, and that means drinking water, shower, bathing water, water that's used for personal hygiene, such as hand washing, also in food and beverage production. And also it is used for fire protection in our member municipalities. We produce an average of 9.4 million gallons of water a day, and we serve that water into 19 storage tanks located throughout our service area. And those storage tanks range in size from 2 million gallons and a little smaller within the system. And storage tanks and pumping provide water pressure for all of our important water users and our customers.
Here we are at Red Rocks Park, home to Champlain Water District's Lake Water Pump Station. Around 10 million gallons of water is pumped from here each day. This is the beginning of the treatment process. Our intake is located in the Shelburne Bay, about a half a mile from the pump station and 75 feet below the surface of the lake. The intake pipe is split at the end into 2 sections.
Hello, my name is Travis. I'm the lead treatment transmission specialist here at Champlain Water District, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you around some of our filtration process. As you've probably seen from some of the other slides, water's pumped out of Shelburne Bay and up into some storage tanks in the front of the plant, where it gravity feeds through the basement of the plant and into one of 3 adsorption clarifiers. These clarifiers remove about 60% of the particulate that's found in the raw water as it enters the plant. After the water passes through those clarifiers, it's going to land on top of one of 8 filters that look like these. These are a mixed media filter. They consist of layers of anthracite, garnet, sand, and gravel. Water passes in through the top, and it's allowed to filter through the media and out through the bottom of the filter. Any one of these filters at any given time are generally filtering between 1 or a little over 2 mgd at a time. These filters generally run for maybe 60 to 70 hours or until some other metrics involved let the operator know that it's time to run a backwash. The backwash process consists of introducing some air to the bottom of the filter to loosen the media, and then pushing water up backwards through the media and into a trough, which then flows out into a settling lagoon behind the plant. We have a filter right now that's in the process of a backwash. So right now filter's flowing up through this filter, up into the trough, and then out into a settling lagoon.
Hey everyone, it's Joel, and what we have here is a schematic of our distribution system. Now let me explain a little bit about what we're looking at here. The schematic is not based on any kind of geographic scale, but instead it's based solely on elevation. Now as we can see, there are different lines going all over the place. Those are our water mains. They carry the water from point A to point B. The green circles that are kind of scattered all over the place here, those are our serve systems, what we call our serve systems. Essentially they are different pressure zones within our distribution system. And these blue tank looking shapes are our storage tanks, as you might have guessed. Now, keeping these tanks full of water allows the entire system to stay pressurized. Why is this important? Without pressure, no one gets water.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariel. Hi. I'm a treatment transmission specialist here at Champlain Water District. Water travels from these lake water tanks and through the building, going through the clarifiers and then through the filters. And from the filters it gets pumped out to these finished water tanks. We have 2 of those, 1 million gallons each, totaling 2 million gallons. And as we wash the clarifiers and the filters, the water comes out here to our settling lagoons. Hi everybody, welcome to Champlain Water District's operations room. This is the midnight shift. This is where we get to monitor and control the water that we're processing and distributing. In our operations room, we've got some of the control panels that help to control the filters, where we can manually adjust if necessary. Notice we do have quite a few computer control panels up and running. Connected to our operations room is a small lab that allows us to verify the information that we are being given through the various remote systems that monitor the water for the chemical feeds. And for the next half hour or so, I'm going to be keeping an eye on our filter that's in wash while I perform some analysis.
Champlain Water District's mission is to produce safe, high-quality water from source to tap. We do this by working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year to optimize our supply functions. And again, to find out all the information that you want on this very interesting subject, go to champlainwater.org and just take a look through the website. We appreciate you coming by and learning about water with us today. Thank you.